Guys, good morning. I am in a new country right now and I'm in Bangkok. And yeah, so I thought I'll vlog the trip. And actually, I'm here for a work trip. I have a 3-day work trip here. I'm covering a mall here and everything. It's an influencer trip. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's my first solo trip, international. So, like solo in the sense there are other people, but not like with friends or family. And also the fact that it's my first international work trip, I'm so excited for this one. So I have just actually reached the place where I'm staying. I have this massive room to myself. I'm quickly gonna show you how the room looks like and then take you along for the next 3 days that I'm here in Bangkok. So I'm very excited. So let's go. Quickly showing you guys, this is how my room looks like. Firstly, hi guys, and this is our room. So pretty. I love the view also. Like I can see a lot of city from here. It's very pretty. And then we have this huge, we have some like coffee maker and all that stuff. My wardrobe, I've already set like some of it. I still have to do like some of it, so I'm gonna do that later. And then we have the bathing area, whatever you wanna call it. So I love the tub. And I mean, just look with the view. रात को कितना सुंदर लगेगा यार. So very pretty. And then we have the shower. Then we have the toilet. And yeah, that's my little room tour. Now I'm gonna go get fresh because now I've already had breakfast यहाँ पे. इसके बाद I'm gonna go and I look very sleep deprived. I have slept for just 1 hour, so I'm just gonna freshen up. I have no time to sleep because I'm going to a shopping mall. Then I'm going to like local things here. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. So see you guys in a bit. My room, I actually changed. I shot a lot of content for hotel because it's, you know, collab with the hotel and the malls. So मुझे जितना काम था होटल के लिए, I am done with it and now I'm going for Platinum Mall, which is a shopping point in Bangkok, and some fancy cafes. So I'm gonna take you along. And जो मैंने होटल के लिए थोड़ा बहुत shoot करा था, I don't think so I'm gonna post it here because that's for Instagram. So yeah, okay, let's see you outside. I'm gonna change again now, so yeah, I'll see you in different clothes. I'm at 7-Eleven and I took like a veg sandwich. That was the only veg like lunch that I could figure out for myself, and I've given it for eating. Let's see how it is. Just grabbed. I'm gonna go out and eat. And bhai, मैं यहाँ पे flip कर रही हूँ. There's like Milo ice cream and there are like so many other things. So I'm gonna come here रात में वापस because अभी I'm going for like shopping thing and I don't wanna be late because बाकी लोग wait कर रहे हैं मेरा. So I'm gonna come here and रात में I'm gonna explore it properly and then show you guys यहाँ पे क्या क्या था. Although बाद में explore करूँगी but I'll attach continuation में. This 7-Eleven sandwich was so good. Honestly, I did not expect it कि ये इतना tasty होगा. First bite में ही मज़ा आ गया था. उसके बाद I was just strolling and taking a walk to the mall. मैं थोड़ा city view जो है वो observe कर रही थी. I was singing it in कि मैं अकेले घूम रही हूँ. मेरे साथ जो लोग थे वो भी disperse हो गए थे, तो मैं अकेली यहाँ पे walk कर रही थी and घूम रही थी. I also discovered some local food. Of course, I couldn't eat it because सब कुछ non-veg था. I reached the mall, shopped a lot. I was the only one who was here at Platinum Mall shopping, and guys, I shopped so much that I had to buy another bag to fill everything. And now I'm just waiting for a colleague over here, and then we will both probably go back to our hotel and just have dinner. And then Raat is exciting because we are going for like the nightlife यहाँ पे. So I'm gonna take you along. Then I went to explore the night scenes Bangkok में, and it was pretty lit to be honest. This whole lane had all the people chilling, dancing, and क्योंकि यहाँ पे weed legal है तो लोग weed भी फूक रहे थे. And yeah, a lot of dancing of course. Then we took a tuk-tuk and हम 3 लोग थे जिसमें से हम 2 लोग, मतलब वो 2 लोग अलग हो गए थे. मैं अकेले फिर tuk-tuk पे घूम रही थी. They dropped me somewhere जहाँ मुझे जाना था रात में because I wanted to explore some night market. So I took the tuk-tuk again, which is basically वहाँ का rickshaw, and I was here for the night market. I'm done with exploring some night markets and now I'm going to explore Chinatown and let me show you what all they have here in just 2020. इस मार्केट में सब कुछ 20 बात में था और तक क्यूट स्टफ था. मुझे मज़ा ही आ गया. I took the tuk-tuk back to my hotel at 4 AM. मज़ा आ गया.
The next day.
So it's a new day and I was actually involved in like work, shooting and everything from the past 2 days. तो मैंने इतना नहीं vlog करा है. But आज I'm thinking I'll vlog properly because I have the whole day and I'm doing some stuff today which is fun apparently. So yeah, let me take you along today. I am sitting back of a stranger because that's how the rides work here and it's so fun. So yeah. That I thought I'll take this mode of transport, but it's fun. I am going to the temple. Hi Sudhiti, I'm going with her. And the temple is right in front, but since we are in western clothes, there is a dress code. And I am at this very pretty shop. They have cute costumes and I'm gonna rent one of these and go. So let me just change and show you guys how it looks. So now I'm getting my hair done. I've already changed the outfit and I'm so excited. पहले मैं बाल नहीं करा रही थी, but I was like the full feel comes with the hair. So let's just get it done. Ready? Quickly gonna show you the whole fit soon. And inside the temple bath. We got the tickets and the stamp is done and now I'm going inside. So let's go. Also some water and we are almost here. Reached the temple and temple was a vibe. इतनी calmness थी ना यहाँ पे. हम अंदर जहाँ पे गए, जहाँ पे मेन टेम्पल था, वहाँ पे फ़ोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं थी, सो आई couldn't टेक माई फ़ोन वहाँ पे. बट बाकी जो टेम्पल एरिया था वहाँ पे सब फ़ोटो शूट ही कर रहे थे, तो मैं भी वहाँ पे फ़ोटोज़ खिंचाई, मैंने थोड़ा कंटेंट निकाला. बट ओवरऑल दिस वाज सच अ गुड फीलिंग. सो इफ़ यू आर कमिंग टू बैंकॉक, कम टू दिस प्लेस. देन हम बाहर गए टेम्पल के एंड आई हैड द बेस्ट आइसक्रीम ऑफ माई लाइफ. दिस वॉज अ कोकोनट आइसक्रीम एंड इट वॉज सो गुड. मतलब मज़ा ही आ गया था ये खा के. Well, now we're going to this place as Condom Cafe and yeah, excited for that one. Terrible incident होते हुए हम कैब्स ढूंढ रहे थे. हम जिस कैब में बैठे हो उसको आगे किसी ने भेड़ दिया या उसने भेड़ा, no idea. Then we changed it और लफड़ा चल रहा था. I'm gonna dash like a clipping of लफड़ा, but it was so weird. Now we have taken this very cute Mickey Mouse cab. Everything pink and nice. Oh, and there's a poo. Oh, where's the poo? Yeah, and now we are going to the Condom Cafe. We have reached the Cabbages and Condom Cafe and all of this is condom. I just hope it's not used. You're not used. Yeah. So the unique thing about Condom Cafe is everything here is about condoms, made of condoms, safety, protection, quite unique. Like so we had a bite यहाँ पे and then we left for night market. Honestly, this night market was also quite fun because we enjoyed so much different kind of food. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ का viral mango sticky rice try करना था. Just on the rice or on the mango as well? How do you like it?
Anything. Mix ही करना है ना?
ठीक है चलो. I'll put थोड़ा सा mango on that also.
Okay.
Honestly, I did not like it at all. Maybe it's an acquired taste, but मेरा तो taste नहीं है. उसके बाद मैंने कुछ viral strawberry in glazed चाशनी kind of thing खाई थी and Nutella भी था, but we thought of trying the authentic thing. So bad again. I did not like it at all. And थोड़ा night market घूमा, shopping करी and that was all about the day.
One eternity later.
So guys, I have boarded in the plane and now it's time to return home. But yeah, जितना मैं record कर पाई उतना मैंने करा. I did a few things like going to a strip club or whatever. I couldn't record of course. But overall I would say this Bangkok trip was fun. Different way fun because it was like a work trip but at the same time I was doing things, so it was nice. But yeah, now I'm in flight. I got a window seat, so which is great. And now I'm just gonna go back home and see you with new shots and new content. So until then, bye guys, take care and don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe.